I Think We're Upside Down by Marcus Cutler. Hey, look what just arrived. Ooh, what is it? My new basketball. Want to play? Yeah. Oh no, I think something might be wrong with it. I'm gonna try something. Wait, what are you doing? I Think We're Upside Down by Marcus Cutler, G.P. Putnam's Sons. Gosh, I wonder what it's like down there. Should we go see? No, that sounds dangerous. Nah, I'm gonna go for it. Wow, that was awesome! But you could have been hurt. And now I'm all alone up here. Oh, I guess you're right. But maybe there's someone else who can help. Hello, you out there? Could you please give us a hand? Wait, could we talk about this first? Oh, it'll be fine. So, you out there, after you flip the page, could you also turn the book upside down? 1, 2, 3, go! Ooh, ow. I think we need to slow down. Excuse me, you out there, would you please turn the book again, but only halfway? Then we can just walk along this side. Oh, that's a good idea. See, sometimes you just need a little bit of careful planning. Oh no, where am I now? And where are you? Hello! Shh, it's all right, I'm here. But where is here? I'm not sure, but don't panic. Everything's going to be okay. Just take it slowly and move toward the sound of my voice. Okay, I can do that. Oh, there you are. Phew, I was a little scared. I know, me too. But don't worry, we're going to get this all sorted out. We'll need to be brave first though, okay? Okay, I can be brave. Great, I know you can. You out there, hi again. When we count to 3, can you quickly flip the book and give the book just a little turn to the left? Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo, we did it! So everything's okay again? Are you sure? Yes, I'm positive. Now let's go play. See? Sometimes you just need a little bit of careful planning. Aww.